So I just got back from the mail. They always have a packaging for me. It's really cold out here. It's winter and all that. Sky's cloudy. Christmas lights over there. Christmas in the house. Okay. Oil and dogs thing. I wanted my dog to be in the video. I had to open up the garage so I can get some better lighting in here. That's why. Okay. Let's get to this unboxing before my thing dies. Someone got 20%. Let's start off with the little stuff. Oh yeah. I got a Nintendo 3DS. Unboxing. Yes, unboxing. Oh yeah, unboxing, unboxing dance. Yeah, man. I didn't see the unboxing dance, but I'm gonna do it. Unboxing. Pretty cute. Okay, let's get to this. So, first of all, I bought a Toshiba SD card. I bought this for my Wii and the 3DS in case I need one. Yeah, I don't know. Put that there. And I bought me found two DS games. Toy Story 3, Disney, and Ben 10, Alien Force, Cartoon Network, and Nintindo. Batteries. Don't know why they were just laying around, but I put those in the video. And let's check out the games we got. So, start off, we have Resident Evil Revelation, Super Mario 31, stuff all the way there. Mario Kart 7, Kid Icarus Uprising, Tetris Axis was a huge game, my friend gave it to me. Spirit Camp with Curse Man War, Madden Football, NFL Madden Football, Lego Star Wars 3, The Clone Wars. Let's get to the real thing. Okay. So here we have the system itself, the pretty boss-like system. Nintendo always has nice packaging. We're not gonna do this on my sidewalk. I wanted to, but it's a little chilly out there. So let's get to it. So do it right here, then I guess. Only spot to do it. Oh crap. Okay. Once again, nice packaging by Nintendo. Okay. Flip this over. Let's see. Here's a picture of it. A New Dimension. I don't want to read this. I'll let you all read it. Nintendo. Never mind. Okay. It comes with 3DS, Nintendo 3DS camera. Let me see, I'm pointing it. Nintendo 3DS sound. Nintendo Meme Maker, Nintendo Meme Maker. Street Pass, Move Plaza, Nintendo eShop, AR cards, Face Raiders, Internet browser. Mine works. Cause I got it a little bit before it came out. A little bit after it came out. So let's give this thing a good old... Oh, let me get something to cut it with. Let's good thing. Got it. Okay, let's open this up. Okay. First we get your simple AR cards. Comes with the... Okay. Mario, Link, Mario, Link, Kirby, Metroid, and the 3 Pikmin. Can't really see them. The 3 Pikmin and the mystery AR card, which you play the games with and all that. Take this, put that over there. Magazine subscription, Nintendo Power, and Nintendo Power. Club Nintendo. Go ahead and try that. I'm already going to use this before I post it. Let's see, open up this right here. So, English, French, Spanish. Ooh, I was waiting for this to come out. Okay. The box is getting a little light without this manual in it. No 3DS. Wow. I got that one, aqua blue. Wow. Oh yeah, it's in 3 different languages. French is 113, Spanish is 227, English is right here. That with that. Oh gosh, page is already bending. I'll have to put something hard on that in a minute. Okay, to get to this one will be the charging dock. I've been hearing about this. Sorry, let me film this. Got it. Throw that over there. It's really cool. Oh, press this button. 3DS system will make that. And where the charger's at, there's 2 golden wires like this, and it will go in there. There's 2 golden holes in right here. So while you're playing it, you can switch out a game back in your trigger button, so they can be right there. Oh gosh, other trigger button right there. Popping headphones right there. Charging cable. That was a fun charging cable. Nintendo somewhere. I see adapter. Nintendo. And it should be exactly like the, yep, Nintendo. Exact same. Who's here? Let's go check who's here really quick before we open up our 3D. Can't let them hear me, dude. Oh crap. Okay, let's just finish this and get this over with. Okay. Let's check out the moment we've been waiting for, the moment of truth. Feels awesome in my hand, dude. Just right now. And this stuff, okay. Okay, let's just get this out of the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, this is like filming everything. Wow. This is so shiny. Okay, let's open up a stylus here. Wow. It's just amazing. How good this stuff stays. Just freaking. I can't put this in while looking. I'm looking through the camera while I'm putting it in. Okay, I'm not gonna look through the camera anymore. Okay. What do you say we open this up? Okay. Oh gosh. Moment of truth. Now it really is a moment of truth, guys. Holy stinking cow. Oh my god. The circle pad, home, start, select, the power button. Wow. This is amazing. Okay. This is you coming from your life. Make some games, other stuff. Right now, that was just the 3DS. Give you a good. What's that right there? Okay, we're done. Well, this was 3D slider. This is just awesome. I'm gonna make more of it. Post it later. See ya.